Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I want to show you the metal doorbell button that I had replaced. I just got done doing three of them. The first one was on the home itself, and I've replaced these at least three times. It's just a cheap old plastic doorbell, like a couple bucks. Now these ones here, they're a little bit more money. They're about $10, but you can feel the weight of it. They're very heavy duty, and they're lighted as well. It's basically just going to come in a small package like this, and it's going to come with a couple of screws. The only thing I really didn't like about the screws is they're slotted. I would have rather have had the Phillips head versus the slotted, but they worked fine. So I went ahead and replaced the one on my home first. And when you do this, you're just going to make sure that you get the wires wrapped around there properly, put it all back together, and you should be all set to go. It is lit, so just like the other one, but what I found out is when I was filming this, it seemed to kind of glow. It doesn't glow. It's on nonstop. Might have something to do with my iPad. The next one that I did was the garage door opener itself. I removed that button. That one has been giving me some troubles, and I installed the other metal doorbell that I had on that one. And the same idea. The only difference I had to do with that one is the wires kind of came around the 2x4, so I re-drilled a hole into the center of it, came out the side, so I would have the doorbell more flush, because eventually I'm going to be putting some sort of backing on that plywood or sheetrock or whatnot. And then the last one, I simulated going into concrete. This is actually going in the side of my elevator, and I actually used this to actually open the elevator itself because I needed an exterior button on the back side of it. And in order to do that, to simulate it, I used the little anchors that you put in. So I drilled a hole into the makeshift imitation concrete brick first, and then I used a small drill just to kind of give me some guides after I put the wire through. And then I put the anchors in, and these anchors basically is just going to keep it so you can screw into concrete. So I didn't actually have to do it with this, but it's a good simulation of going into concrete brick. So that's basically all there is to it on these metal doorbells. Finally got something that I think is going to last a long time. You can feel it. It's heavy duty versus the little plastic ones. Well, I hope this helps you with your doorbell installation. Again, there's not a whole lot to them. These are LED, so if you're going to go into a DC system like I did with the garage door opener, you're going to have to make sure that the polarity is correct on that. Whereas the standard doorbell, it didn't really matter. But if it doesn't light up, just swap your wires and you should be all set to go. Well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.